Kumar. I'm a student at the advanced level from the Paragon Academy, Badin. Today, the topic of my presentation is hazard of population. As you all know, the Pakistan in the one of the biggest problem is population. Population has increased in multifold. The schools can't provide proper education, all of them. Therefore, the illiteracy are increasing day by day. And the second is that the hospital are unable to treat all patients. That's why so people are dying in disease and accidents. So that's why, and the pollution is also the problem, because as you know, the population is increased day by day, and they cut tree for living, and its way the pollution is also increased. In main cause deforestation. And if you want to in a wonderful life, if you have one baby. If you want to live in a comfortable life, you have 2 babies. If you want to miserable life, you have many babies, and they keep crying and shouting, babbling, etc. Thanks.